What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about collection agencies and what they can and cannot do. As a disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal advice. So I am not an attorney, and please seek a consumer attorney if you need any legal assistance at all. With that being said, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act prohibits collection agencies from using abusive, unfair, or deceptive practices to collect on debts from you. If you understand the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, you can make sure that your rights are not being violated. A huge red flag to look out for is when a debt collector threatens you. They cannot threaten to have you arrested because a debt is not a criminal matter. They also cannot threaten to have your wages garnished or threaten to seize your bank account without any judgment or court order whatsoever. When it comes to paying off debt, if you've been making payments to a collection agency and records get lost, or if the collector leaves the company, they may insist that you still owe the original amount or more. So make sure that you keep good records of all your payments made so that you aren't taken advantage of. Debt collectors may also try to add their own fees or interest to the original balance. And if the contract between you and the original creditor does not allow for collection fees or interest to the original balance, then they are violating the law. The debt collector will need to show you the original contract to prove that what they're doing is legal, and they usually don't have the original contract anyways. When it comes to phone calls, debt collectors may call your job, neighbors, or relatives to collect on a debt, but this is definitely a violation, so be careful with this one. Now let's say that you send a collector a debt validation letter and they respond to you with a court summons instead of responding to the letter. A collection agency or attorney cannot file suit against you if they have not validated the debt within the first initial 30-day period. If they do respond to your debt validation letter but ask you for more information about you over the phone or in writing, they may be trying to recontract with you. Remember that you can instruct the collector to cease all collection activity and to not communicate with you until they have validated the debt. Also, make sure to tell them to only communicate with you in writing and not by phone. A debt collector cannot put a negative listing on your credit report after you've requested validation. If this item is put on your credit report before they even send you a debt validation notice, this is considered a collection activity and is also a violation. Now, a few other things that debt collectors cannot do is forge your signature, steal your bank account information, and debit money from your account. Even lie to you to scare you into paying, or encourage you to pay a small fee to re-age the debt and reinstate the statute of limitations. With that being said, guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.